What's going on, guys? Polar Shrimp here, back with a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you guys a little hack. This hack will allow you to access any website that is restricted at your school or at home. I personally use this since my school and many others restrict certain apps and websites on your phone through the Wi-Fi. And what this means is as long as you're connected to the school Wi-Fi, many websites or apps will not work. They just use this as some security thing, but it's very annoying if you do go to school. So this app I'm going to show you is a very good free VPN that will grant you access to everything. And the only requirement is an iPhone, and that's it. So this only works on an iPhone because this app is only on the App Store. So that means the first thing you want to do is open up the App Store and look up XVPN, and that's the name of the app, and it will come up literally immediately. It's like the first one. So what you want to do is download that. This download is very quick and it'll only take like maybe 10 seconds. See, mine's are almost done already. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so open that up, and you just want to accept everything that pops up. So click I agree, allow, and then you just want to allow that, and then just click this X because we want the free VPN version. But this works just as well as the premium version. No slowness to the Wi-Fi, same exact Wi-Fi speed, works 100% of the time. So once you do that, the last step is to connect, and this might take up to 30 seconds, but mine's not take too much time. So once it's connected, you're good to go. A little thing on the top left of your phone next to your Wi-Fi bar will see VPN, and that's how you know it's on. And it also says VPN on the app. The next step is to open up anything that was restricted and see that is no longer restricted. So this thing's very overpowered, and tell me in the comments if this thing worked for you. It definitely works for me, so I'm like 99% sure it will work for you. So, and that's gonna wrap up the video, guys. If you found this helpful, leave a like, and also if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. And peace out, guys. Hope you enjoyed.